So Allison asked, I'm more interested in creating the graphics element of data. Do you think that completing this master's degree will put me a step ahead of a research agency's creative team, or does it not really matter?
I'll give you a thought on that because I actually that oddly is a lot of my job. In fact, again, having gone through kind of a big strategy presentation today, I would say that 90% of it was really kind of visualizing the data. Whatever that is, our attendance or our different trends and visitor data and all that. And I think that um, you kind of you have to understand what you're visualizing for it to be effective. There's probably if you're just more interested in kind of the graphic part of it, then I don't know that this is the best program for that. If you really want to understand how the data makes sense and then how you can show it effectively to tell a story, then I think this would help you based on what I've seen so far. So it's really about kind of what pieces you need to have, what tells the story, what's extraneous and you can get rid of, so you can really zero people in on that, and then how you can present that in a compelling way that even if somebody doesn't dig into all the numbers, they can easily look at a slide or a page and go, oh yeah, I see where the problem is or the opportunity is. Um, so I think it kind of depends. If you're purely interested in graphics, then maybe not. But if you're interested in the kind of the why and the what behind the graphics, then I think this would be helpful.
Yeah, I would echo that it's not, most of the assignments are submitted in Word or Excel. If not, they're in the discussion board, right? The weekly discussion posts. So you're not going to be using design programs in a lot of this. I personally I gravitate towards presenting things in a very visual, presentable way, because I find that helps build the story, in PowerPoint and other things like that. But I think if you're looking for a program that is really going to be focused on really design, I don't think that this is. To Dan's point, he's spot on. It's really how you're taking the underpinnings of the data that's driving marketing and then presenting it. And there will be elements of that throughout the course. But as I mentioned, a lot of the assignments are submitted in Excel, which is really minimal design, unless you're building some charts and things like that, or Word.